Good morning, it's Claire from Clairified Creations, and welcome to a day in the life of a pediatric nurse slash just a general Monday. I'm going to bring you along for what the day looks like. It's lunchtime. We got hibachi chicken with rice, zucchini and carrots, apples, of course Cheez-Its, and a Ghirardelli for dessert. I made it through the day. It is officially 5:44 p.m. That is so late. Normally I get off work around 5-ish, but today was a bit of a later day. It was super busy at the clinic. I think we saw around 120-ish. And yes, there's some loud trucks going on behind me. Unfortunately, I have a ton of errands to run, so what better company is there going to be than the world? So you all get to run errands with me and be a responsible adult, because I was not that during the weekend. I did not go grocery shopping, didn't meal prep, I didn't do any prep for my week, including getting gas, which is why I'm just sitting right here now. Normally I do that on the weekend, so I don't have to worry about it during the week. And the next plan is to go pick up my glasses, because my glasses are ready, and that is a whole story. I had to go back and forth because they didn't get my prescription right, but this time, fingers crossed, it will be right. Then we're gonna swing by Kroger and then go back to the apartment and eat dinner. I'm hoping the motivation to eat dinner is going to be strong and I can go grocery shopping really quickly. Arrived at the eye place, so let's go pick up the glasses. They're empty. I'm so frustrated right now, you guys, so I'm just gonna share real life, because this was supposed to be kind of a, productive run errands with me vlog. My lens were there, so she went to go put them into my frames. They were too small. They didn't fit, and I thought, what? That is crazy, because I've been here. This is probably the 6th time now going back and forth because my prescription was wrong. I had to get a re-exam, then I had to order it again, then I had to come back, but then I found out that I had to actually bring the frames, and they didn't tell me that, but I guess I should have assumed that. So then I had to come back this time with the frames, and the lens don't fit, so now I am glassesless, which is unfortunate. I do have an old pair, which is okay. I can use that. It's not a huge deal in the grand scheme of things, but it is very frustrating because now I don't have the correct prescription of glasses, and they are fairly different, and my other ones are all scratched up, so I really liked having new glasses. My contacts aren't here either. They're gonna have to order those, so it's just a whole thing, which is very disappointing that I am gonna have to come back yet again, and I don't live around here. It's okay, guys. We're gonna make the best out of it. Now I've got to go grocery shopping and get food for the week. I don't know what I'm gonna have for lunches. I just thought about that. I have no food or plans for my lunches for the week, so we gotta try and figure that out. I will say the lady was very apologetic, and I really appreciate it, because I know it's not her fault. It's manufacturing type thing. And she gave me a extra thing on my glasses where you have an anti-reflective coating. She did something fancy to the lenses, so she upgraded me at no charge because I think she felt really bad. The world tells you to never go grocery shopping when you're hungry. Well, I am very hungry because I haven't had dinner, and it's 6:30. If anyone wants to know when to go grocery shopping, the answer is at 6:45 p.m. on a Monday. Nobody is here. very empty. Almost all the aisles are just bare. So it's time to check out and go home. I ended up getting $39.47 in groceries, and that's all I got. I showed you all the clip. Not a whole lot goes for $40, which is a little bit kind of sad, but this is why I don't normally shop at Kroger, is because they're a little bit more on the expensive side, but it's okay. I think I figured out what I'm doing for the week, kinda. I got the shaved steak to make sandwiches and maybe pack that for lunch one day. I got the chicken for chicken pot pie, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna meal prep tonight because I am supposed to make dinner tomorrow, so I should probably do that and get all of that ready. I have all the other ingredients for chicken pot pie, and then I'm gonna go home, eat some leftover pizza, and then the fruit snacks that I got, that is a necessity for all lunches because I'm a true kid at heart and have to have my fruit snacks every day, and I've been missing them, so that's why I purchased those. They were only $3-ish for a pack of 10, which will last me a couple weeks. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go eat some dinner because I'm pretty hungry. Got our 2% milk because it's healthier for you. I wanted the world to know that I love Tillamook cheese so much that I got both the shredded 4 cheese Mexican and the Swiss sliced. I only got the sliced cheese because I'm planning on making those beef sandwiches for later this week. Otherwise, I would never normally get sliced. And they were on sale for $3.99, which doesn't seem like a sale. Tillamook is a little bit more on the pricey side. In my opinion, so worth it. Comment down below what's your favorite brand of cheese and dairy. Mine is all the way Tillamook. Their ice cream and cheese has a special place in my heart for sure. Okay, the air fryer just went off. Let's check it. It's looking really good. Look at that, crispy and gooey. So let's eat. But first, we gotta take my teeth out because I have Invisalign. My dinner consists of a nice lime LaCroix and this pizza served on fine china. We've got some carrots, onions, and celery, and I'm just cooking those down before I add my already made rotisserie chicken. I am very tired, guys, so we will try and get this done. The goal is before 9 p.m. I love the smell of carrots and onions and celery. It just smells so good, and then you just cook it with butter. Dinner for tomorrow is done, and that makes me feel so much better that I don't have to worry about that when I come back. We just gotta pop it in the oven, put the puff pastry over the filling, and bake it, and it'll be ready. And I wanted to share with you all what my current room looks like because let's just share real life. My unmade bed, pajamas, blanket, multivitamins. I got a really cute Valentine's Day card from my parents, so shout out to them. It's a fuzzy duck. I love it so much. So this is my update on my room in case you were wondering. Not much has changed. It is a little bit past 9 o'clock and it's finally time to get out of these scrubs. I normally try and do that a little bit sooner, but with today being so busy, I just hadn't had a chance, and I wanted to get everything done chores-wise before I relaxed, took a shower and everything, because once that happens, I don't do a whole lot. I am so tired. I'm gonna take that shower and get into some comfy clothes. Oh, that's hot. That is really hot, you guys. Progress update. I just whacked you on the coffee maker.